So declaration and initialization should be done at the top of the program before the variables are used. Declaration basically has to do with deciding on the data types that you want to associate with the variable, and initialization means giving a value to the variables that you've chosen. In the number variables, we talk about integer. Integer are whole number such as 39, 32, 4, 56. They are all whole numbers. So if you want to give a value to age, you can start by writing integer age is equal to 9. So this is the data type. So we're using here, we're telling the program that we want integer to be we're declaring integer to be a data type, and we're giving the age a value of 9. The same thing too, you can have integer year 2003. Now double is normally associated with decimal point such as 1.0, 34.54 to 34.07. So this can come handy with price. For example, you can write something like double price is equal to 12.45, double pi is equal to 3.412. For those of you who are science students, you'll be familiar with that. So Java takes variables. So whenever it comes to text, we always talk about strings. Java string is a sequence of characters or letters, such as a string of text, Steve Harp, Game Boy, 3 point. So you can see whenever, even if you have a number and it comes in between a double quote, that becomes a string. Note that strings are usually enclosed inside quotation marks. So string, my name is equal to Steve Harp, string, game type is equal to shoot them up. So string is embedded here or is enclosed here within this quotation mark, and string this becomes the value, and this is the data type that is given. Then of course I talk about Boolean, either true or false. Anytime you're dealing with something that will either need you to choose either the value to be true or false, then Boolean is the best data type for that. So is learning Java, are you learning Java? So Boolean, true. Do you like ice cream? False, stuff like that. So now Java comment. Comment starts a line with this symbol, the forward line, they are not executable. They are not executed. They are inserted by the programmer to explain what she is doing. And coming back later, you or another programmer can quickly follow up what has been done. Now let us write the program with this idea. Now let me talk about comments. It's important to understand that comments help the programmer to really explain what each line of the text are. If you're writing programs over the years, and you will notice that comment becomes very handy, very important, because in the next few months